Hi everyone. Hope you are doing well. Based on all available scientific evidence, the planet Nibiru does not exist. It is a concept that blends ancient mythology with pseudoscience and has become a persistent internet hoax, particularly known for its connection to the 2012 apocalypse prediction. The idea of Nibiru as a planet comes from two main sources, one ancient and one modern. Ancient mythology. The name Nibiru actually comes from Babylonian astronomy, where it referred to the highest point in the sky associated with the god Marduk. It was not the name of a physical planet. Pseudoscience and fiction. The modern concept of Nibiru as a planet was popularized in 1976 by author Zecharia Sitchin. In his book The 12th Planet, he claimed, based on his own controversial translations of Sumerian texts, that a planet called Nibiru orbits the Sun every 3,600 years and is home to an advanced alien race called the Anunnaki. Sitchin's interpretations are rejected by historians, archaeologists, and linguists, but they form the basis for the Nibiru myth. The doomsday connection. The idea of Nibiru colliding with Earth was first promoted in 1995 by Nancy Leader, a self-described contactee who claimed aliens had implanted a communications device in her brain. She originally predicted a catastrophic pole shift caused by a Planet X in May 2003. When that didn't happen, she connected her fictional planet to Sitchin's Nibiru, and the date was conveniently moved to December 21, 2012, to coincide with the end of the Mayan calendar cycle. What does science say? Astronomers and scientists have overwhelmingly rejected the existence of Nibiru. Here's why. It would be visible if a large planet were on a collision course with Earth. It would be one of the brightest objects in our sky, visible to the naked eye for months, if not years. Countless amateur astronomers and professional observatories around the world scan the skies every night. None have seen it. Gravitational effects. A massive object like Nibiru, said to be several times the size of Earth, would have observable gravitational effects on other planets in our solar system. It would disturb their orbits in ways that we do not see. As the manager of NASA's Near-Earth Object Program Office stated, there's no evidence that it's perturbed any of the inner planets, or the outer planets, which it would have to do if it were in an orbit around the Sun. Official rejection. NASA has repeatedly and publicly stated that Nibiru is a hoax. In a 2009 video, the agency explicitly said, "There's no planet Nibiru, there's no planet X, and nothing is hurtling toward us." They have also clarified that claims of them hiding its existence are false. In summary, the story of Nibiru is a fascinating example of how ancient mythology can be blended with modern fiction to create a compelling, but completely unfounded, doomsday scenario.